Welcome back to my channel, Get Made Squad. I did not have a chance to record an opener for this look, so we're just going to jump right in. And I hope you enjoy this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put some powder on my eyelids since they're oily. If you've checked out my tutorials before, you would already know. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and put on our eyeshadow base. I finally got some more. So, ooh, excuse me. So I don't have to worry about using concealer. Not that using concealer is bad. I just going to go ahead and just use the eye base. Just make sure you blend whatever you're using, whether you're using concealer or you're using eyeshadow primer, eye base, whatever the name is. Just make sure you're blending it really well into the skin. You want all your products to blend in and melt in, so that way you avoid any creasing once you apply your eyeshadow or whatever you're applying. And now, since I have oily eyelids, I am going to set the base, the eyeshadow base. You don't have to do this part. You can skip this, but when I don't do it, when I use shimmery powders, the shimmer and the oil do not mix very well. So I have to make sure I'm layering on some protection for my oily eyes. Alright, now we can go ahead and start with our eye look. I'm going to be using Juvia's Place, the Festival palette. So it comes wrapped just like this, very colorful, upside down, very colorful. And here is the Festival by Juvia's. If I can open it, I don't know why I'm having an issue. So this is the lovely palette right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous pigmented colors. And they're very soft to the touch. So if you want to swipe and see the swatches, like they're just so soft. So we're going to do a really colorful look today. I will try on my next tutorial to do something more on the neutral side. Not neutral side, but more subdued. So it's not too just like out there. Okay, tomorrow is, you know, instead of just a wash day for my hair, it's going to be wash day for my brushes, because you got to wash your brushes. Make sure you do that. That way you're not spreading bacteria and all kinds of things all over your face and in your products. Okay, so my first color I'm going to start with is this one called Manwu. I don't know. It's this one right. Oh my gosh. It's this color right here. And we're going to use that as one of our crease transition colors. So we're going to do windshield wiper motion and apply that. It's a pretty kind of pink salmon color. Okay, now we're going to go in with Irie G. So sorry if I am butchering these names. But it's IRIGJI. It's a pretty fuchsia color. We're going to go in right underneath that first color we applied. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Zaffa. It's like a kind of reddish color, the red family. Okay, and we're going to apply that color right beneath the fuchsia one we just applied. So it's like a reddy orange color. Okay, I'm going to deepen that with, I can't show you this color because it's broken. But this is from Motives. This is, it's a blush called Azalea. It's like a red color. So I want more red in the look. And so that's not coming off red enough for me. So we're going to add that. And I just want to add a little more depth to the crease area. So I'm going to go in the Mavens palette and use this color here. And we're just going to go right underneath again to just kind of deepen that area. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm also with the eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and put on my face primer. That way it can already, as I always say, you know, be working and doing its magic. Melting into the skin. Oops. Okay, so instead of using concealer, we're going to cut our crease using the Eye Art by Revlon. Same concept, just using a different product than concealer. And we're just gonna cut our crease. You don't want to use too much of this product, so start with very little. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this color here, and we're going to pack that to the outer portion of our eye. Alright, and then we're going to go in with this orangey color, Fala. I'm going to just stop pronouncing. I'm going to stop pronouncing the color. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Oro. I just said I was going to stop pronouncing them, and then I'm still pronouncing them. My bad. Now we're just going to kind of clean up the under eye area. That's not under eye. We're going to clean up the side area. Okay, so now we're ready for foundation. Just be careful when you're applying your foundation that you don't swipe off the sides. And I'm using my Custom Blend foundation. So, Velvety Smooth, Whipped Formula. I'm not going to color correct today, so whatever happens, happens. I have acne scarring, and I got rid of it, and then during my cycle, I got acne again, and I picked at it. Don't pick at your acne. I know it's hard, but don't do it. Now I'm going to use a stippling motion so I can cover up my scar so I can get that flawless look. Okay, and lately what I've been doing is taking a dry beauty blender. It's dirty. I need to clean it. And just lightly bouncing it on my face. And the reason I do this is to get rid of all the brush strokes. So that way you get that flawless airbrush look. But if you set your makeup with those brush strokes on there, with, you know, once you put your powder on, then they're set into your skin, and then it's not a flawless look. So I like to go over with my beauty blender and just make sure everything is blended and looks well. Also, the beauty blender will help pick up any excess product that's on the skin. Okay, and now I'm going to put just a little bit, I'm using my Color Perfection quad. I'm going to use this color here. I'm just going to put a little bit under my under eye. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye now. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and do the eyebrows. And I'm going to use an eyeshadow like I've been doing for the last months or so. And I'm going to use a Dynasty palette, the black that's in there. It's not a strong black eyeshadow, so it's not going to be too, like, you know.
No. Is that yours?
Alright, eyebrows are done, so I'm going to go in with this blush Audacious right here.
Kiki. Ooh. Kiki. Kiki. And Kiki. Okay, there's only one boy and 3 girls. Hey, you're taller than you're taller than her? Okay. Then we're going to let's get
Okay, so I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow base and apply it to my under eye. Okay, so we're going to go in with that hot fuchsia color we used earlier, and we're going to apply that to the under eye.
Mom.
Then I'm going to go in with this color, Lippie, right there, and apply that to, I haven't even used this color yet, apply it to a lower lash line.
No, ma'am.
Alright, so I'm going with my Mavens palette and my favorite eye highlight. I'm going to use that. We're just going to apply that to the brow bone. So I'm going to spray my face with the rose water. Okay, and at first I wasn't going to apply any glitter, but then, I mean, it's Saturday and I like to be extra because this is like my Friday, so I like to be extra, so we're going to be extra today. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette. Look at that. Do you see all those colors? Like, yeah. Yeet. So I'm going to go in with the yellow gold color there. It's not gold, it's yellow. It's a yellow color. Just going to pick up a little bit on my brush there.
That's golden.
And they come up really easily. And I'm just going to pack a little bit kind of in the inner corner.
That's why you put the colors right just back in.
And with this palette, you do not need any glitter adhesive. I mean, they stay all day. I don't use anything to make them stay. So that is really cool, really convenient, easy to travel around with. So I took it with me on vacation this past weekend. So, I mean, no issues, no problems. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my lashes. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I have to put on my lips later on the way to work, so I will post the completed look. You can also check out my Instagram account and you will see also the completed look on there as well. So thank you so much for watching this. Until next time, bye.